Okay, I cleaning out my storage building. Got a pickup load of stuff. I'm bringing it around to sell here at the auction. So I'm going to let you know how that works out. Looks pretty interesting, to say the least. Never done this before, so this auction I haven't. So apparently there's a big old long line. Started at 7 a.m. Apparently I should have been here at 7 a.m. but I didn't expect this wait in line and all this, but we'll see how this works out. Well, it's been an hour and I've made it a little ways. With all that back up there, they are backed way up there, all the way out on the road now. So I should have got here earlier, but I'm glad I got here when I did, man. So it's probably a couple hour wait to unload. Like I said, you see them way back over there. Wow. Okay, well, here's some of the stuff already they have for. So, well, I'll give you an update here in a little bit. Well, it's been another 45 minutes. I've moved a little ways. Look at all the vehicles. Man, this is going to be a huge sale tomorrow. Or, not tomorrow, Saturday. This is Thursday. And they just keep coming. They're out to the highway now. The weather's supposed to be really nice next couple days, so yeah, there'll be a lot of people here. I would just like to know how much the auction company makes in this one auction, just on commissions. This one. So, well, I need to be up there where that loader is, so when I get up there, get ready to unload, we'll be back. I'm not sure. I see this enclosed trailer just to unload all these heaters and these water coolers. Last auction there was tons of these water coolers. I'm sure this is some kind of returns or liquidation or something. Just like to know where they get all this stuff at. Man, this is unreal. It took about 2.5 hours to get unloaded, so now I gotta go get a lot number. So didn't take long to get unloaded, just took 2.5 hours to get there. So I gotta stop up here at the office. I got some all my duck waterfowl ammo, steel shot, heavy shot stuff that I don't use no more. I'm gonna drop off, so it'd be interesting to see what that stuff brings. So anyway, hey, I'll make sure I don't hit nothing here. So anyway, we'll catch you here. I'll keep giving you an update and let you know what that stuff brings. Okay, just dropped the ammo off at the office. Oh, hold on, got something else. Had an old bow, that Darton compound bow, Darton Viper. Darn good bow. Bought it brand new back in 92 or 93. Oh man. And I don't know if I can get out of there or not. So now, trying to get out of here. Everybody's so tight. Anyway, dropped that bow off too. So there's a trailer with a bunch of welders on it for sale. packed out on the road. All these people coming to dump stuff off. Look at that. Man. If this is not the largest consignment sale in Oklahoma, it has to be pretty close. And they're just still coming. So, how much did I make at that auction? Not as good as I'd hoped, but I guess maybe better than I was worried about. I don't know if y'all, this is pretty faint. It's hard for me to even see it. I hope y'all can see this. Total was all that stuff. I don't know what the deal is here. It's like several pieces of paper they got stapled all together. It's like they forgot to add some stuff and then they had. So, a total of $652. They took out $1.50 for something. Looked like they forgot something. I had $12.50, so $663. Took out 25%, which was $165.80, which left me with $497. And they took out another $1 for something, which left me with 490. No, did they take it? Yeah, took out another $1, left me with $496.62. A lot of that was the ammo I took. Ammo didn't do as good as I'd hoped because there was a lot of shotgun shells in there. Heavy shot, if y'all are waterfowlers, you know what heavy shot is. Took a lot of that. Took some estate buckshot I had. Apparently that doesn't sell as good either. Here's some of the stuff I took. I had 2 cast iron pans, and I don't understand. One of them sold for $20. One of them was a cornbread pan, you know, the one sectioned up like little pieces of cornbread, and the other one was just a regular, both of them was Lodge. Well, no place on here can I find the other cast iron skillet, so. And sometimes what they'll do at auction like that, if they got 1 or 2 things that won't sell, or several things, they keep piling them together until they get a big lot, and they'll sell that. But usually they'll say a box lot or something like that. I had a basket, a tote, and a fryer. Well, I didn't have a fryer there, so I don't know what that was about. Anyway, there was 3 that they sold at $20 a piece. Knockdown, I'm not sure what the knockdown is. I had some spray cans of knockdown, maybe that's what they were talking about. 2 at $20. So, nailer, here's another thing. I took 2 18-gauge nailers and a regular pneumatic nailers and a full-size framing nailer, and it just says $12.50. So I don't know which nailer that was. I don't know. See, that was my worry about taking stuff there. It sits out there for 2 days and people can come up and take stuff, or you know, they're not supposed to, and they're supposed to watch over it, but you just don't really know. Little rack I made, signed Oklahoma for key rings. Oklahoma made years ago from pallets, brought $5. Harbor Freight air hose I hated. I got $5 from that. Box of thermoses, $9. Those thermoses are brand new. Okay, so that was a box of thermoses, and that was some Tupperware and stuff like that. So that whole box brought $9. No, it's that great. Again, this says 12-gauge shells. Almost everything I took was 12-gauge shells, so I don't know which ones that was. 2 at $15. 12-gauge, not full, $20. 12-gauge shells, 1 at $6. 12-gauge shells, 1 at $35. Don't know what that is. 2 23s, $25 for it, and it wasn't even a full box. There again, 12 gauge shells, 5 at 20. That was $100. I had a box of those Dove loads that you buy in a 4-pack at Walmart. So I don't see that on here, so I don't know if they took those boxes out individually or not. 38 shells. That was partial box, $27.50. Mixture of partial boxes, $25. I had a partial box of 7mm 8. I think there were 16 rounds in there of Federal, type I didn't use no more. $40 for 16 shells. So, and this says 12 gauge shells, $5. I don't know what that is all about, but yeah, I can't find my other stuff in that miscellaneous box. I don't know. Let's see if it's in here. Compound bow, $25. Somebody got a deal there. There's a tote. Oh, they sold the tote that I brought the ammo in for $5. 7 or 8 shells. Again, that was a partial box, $25. Crock pot, coffee maker, ironing board, $9. See, I don't see any place on there the other skillet and some other stuff I took. So, and there's a shelf there that I got out of that dumpster. I don't see that any place here. Like I said, that's one thing I worry about, taking my stuff like that. So would I do it again? Well, there's another place that has a consignment auction kind of like they do. It's not as big. I just thought there was more on here than that. But they do draw a crowd, so I might take it to that. I'm looking for more other stuff. See, I'm just not seeing it, and there's a lot here. Seems like there's a lot more prices here than what on these sheets. So, I didn't do too bad. I mean, that's $500 basically I got. Man, if you don't have the auction, and you got a place to hold an auction like that, auctioneers, man. I mean, almost every place around here has a 20 to 25% commission on most stuff. So, I got a lot of stuff out of storage. I got some cash in my hand. Can't really complain about that. So, would I take it back there again? I don't know. Maybe if it wasn't box lots of stuff like that. Because one box was, I don't know if y'all know what a Ninja chopper is, but there was 2 sets there with one motor. And that was the pitchers, that was the lids for the pitchers, that was the blades, that was a lot of stuff in there. And I don't see that on here no place. So, like I said, a lot of people are walking around days before the auction, looking at stuff, and they could have moved, somebody else could have moved it over to their lot. You just don't know. So I felt like it should have, especially some of the ammo, should have brought a lot more, but hey, I'm happy with it overall. Some of that ammo was 10 years old or older. I kept the good stuff back for me, obviously. So anyway, if y'all got there's people who take stuff to that auction who apparently all they do is buy closeouts, and then they take it to the auction. There were several people there with straight trucks unloading. And it was just, hold on. Talk to me. Oh, just sitting there watching some leaves burn.